All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with something very interesting. I got a multi-fidget toy right over here. I got the Muyi Sonic Boom. This is the CyberMecha. Look at this thing. Guys, comes in the nice box. Of course, you get your stickers and a tool to take the toy apart. And check this out. Look at this. This is a big boy, guys. This is a complex one. It's not small. It's not cheap. But let's check it out. So let me grab right over here my caliper. So you have, look at this. You know what? Today I'm in a millimeter mood. So we're going to do 39.98, so 40 millimeters. And we got, look at this. 70 millimeters, so 7 centimeters for this chunk of titanium. Let's check, like for example, compared to some other big boys, that's the Zirk Black Mirror design bullet. Right over here you got the Zirk Commander grenade, a couple of small ones that I want to show you. That's the Tom EDC Mahjong version 2 and the Lauti Shuffle double aces, which you can also check on Fablades.com and see if they are available. But right here we are with this, this is a beast of a toy. So, very complex. It has 3 sides right over here, as you can see, which are screwed in, and you can access those internally with that tool that it's provided. And these are just sliders. So they slide up and down, all right? If this is a numbered edition, of course, it says the number and the material, titanium. So you have like 1, 2, and 3, sorry, sliders on the side, which are releasing the spinner on the top, which is great. So yeah, if you want to lock the spinner, you just put them out either like that. Like this is not gonna stay because you have a glass breaker on the back, so probably you want to just rest it like this or on the side if you are wanting just to leave it on the desk, or you just deploy these 3 sliders and you leave it there. So it's gonna increase in height, but it's gonna release this pretty cool spinner, guys. This thing is spinning like for a really long time, and if you notice, you can see a lot of slots for tricks, vials, for glow in the dark paint. I mean, you can modify this thing pretty seriously. It's very, very nice. I love the design of this toy. Very futuristic. It's like a, I don't know, a robot, a pod capsule, escape pod kind of thing. I really, really like it. It's a beautiful thing to see something like this big and fancy and articulated on your desk. I really like it. It is quite heavy, so it's not like a pocket thing. You're not gonna toss this in the pocket. It's too big. Look at this. So let's actually check the weight. 1 second here. All right, and we're going to do grams today because I'm in a European mood. Look at this, boom. 216 grams. Oof, that is 7.63 ounces, guys. So this is a chunky boy, but it's lovely. It's beautiful. You can hold it in this way and just slide it up and down. Of course, as you can see, there's 1, 2, and 3 states per side, or you can just release the spinner and just have it like in your hand like that, of course, and just have it spin around like for a long time, guys. I'm telling you, this thing spins for minutes, so really, really cool indeed. It's a chunky one. I guess it's not for everyone. The price is gonna be around $270, so not a cheap one, but it's truly a beast and one of the best desk fidget toys that I have. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.